Good evening, everybody. Let's move across everybody. Yesterday we have learned all these things. These two are without repetition, and this thing is with repetition. This thing is with repetition. Is that fine, everybody? Chaliye. Now let's try to move across everybody. Have a look, everybody. Now here. Now, now, students, a very basic, simple question he gonna give you here. Have a look here. What is this? He told you that in how many ways 7 persons can be accommodated in 3 rooms, where the first room consists of 1 person, only 1 person can be there in the first room, and 2 persons can be there in the second room, and 4 persons can be there in the third room. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Now, this kind of questions are commonly given to you. Let me just try to tell you what is this question all about. Here, for example, let's try to move forward here. For example, we have got 2 friends, A and B, and we have got 2 rooms. Room number 101, room number 102. Suppose, for example, you tell me how many ways these 2 people can share this room. There are 2 ways. Am I right, everybody? There are 2 ways. Tell me one way. One way, A can take room number 101 and B can take room number 102. Or else we have one more way we can share the room. We can say that B can take room number 101 and A can take room number 102. So we have got how many ways, students? 2 students. So this is nothing but what we have learned yesterday. 2 people, 2 places. What do you call it as yesterday concept? 2 factorial. This is what we have understood, that 2 people, 2 places, 2 factorial we have understood now. Are you understanding, everybody? This is so very clear. But there are some kind of scenarios. In that scenarios, what are you going to do? Have a look here. Suppose 3 friends have gone and there are 3 single bedrooms. 3 friends have gone and there are 3 single bedrooms. In how many ways we can accommodate them in these 3 rooms? It's the same simple concept, students. How many people are standing here? 3. How many places are available here? 3. So what, according to we call it as 3 factorial. What is 3 factorial? 6 ways. Bolo, what is 3 factorial now? 6 ways. Is that clear, everybody? Yes. But here you don't have 3 rooms. Here you don't have 3 rooms. What happened here is what? Some kind of questions will be like this. That, listen to this, everybody. Here, I have 1 single bedroom and 1 double bedroom. The hotel owner have said that I have got 1 single bedroom and 1 double bedroom. So here one fellow can stay, here 2 people can stay. So he's asking you how many ways we can accommodate 3 people in these 2 rooms. Following, everybody? Provided that 1 single bedroom, 1 double bedroom. Are you understanding? Same like room number 101, room number 102. For example, you take room number 101 and room number 102. Okay, chaliye, let's try to move across and just try to have a look here. A can take a single bedroom and B and C can take a double bedroom. A can take a single bedroom, B and C can take a double bedroom. Or else B can take a single bedroom, A and C can take a double bedroom. Or else C can take a single bedroom, A and B can take a double bedroom. Are you understanding? How many ways we can accommodate them? 3 ways. But there might be some kind of reasons that students can also say like that. Sir, A takes a single bedroom only. A takes a single bedroom only. But this time it's not BC. I'm saying, sir, this time CB. Are you understanding, everybody? Do you think that A is taking a single bedroom? That is one way. And B and C is taking room number 102. That is one way. This is one way is over. Now here, A is taking same single bedroom. Instead of BC, I am telling you CB. Do you think these two are different accommodation or same accommodations? These are said to be like cases. Students try to understand that whenever look that internally they are changing each other. Internally they are changing each other. When internally they are changing each other, it doesn't mean that you have given a new room to this one B and C. They are changing internally. So whenever you change internally, this is not said to be a different case. These two are like cases. What are you understanding, students? These two are like cases. You can't say, sir, B is taking a single bedroom only. B is taking single bedroom only. This time, sir, I'm not giving you AC. I'm giving you CA. I'm not giving you AC, I'm giving you CA. Do you think that these two are different or same? Same. So this we should not take into consideration. So here also C takes a single bedroom. C takes a single bedroom. Instead of AB, I'm telling you BA. Do you think this is a different? No, these all cases are same cases. These all cases are what cases, students? Same cases. So how to remove all these things? How to remove all these things? Very simple funda. Very simple funda. Listen everybody. How many people are standing here? 3 people. How many places are there? 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So we call it as 3 factorial. Yeah. We call it as what factorial? 3 factorial. Are you understanding everybody? Yeah, we call it as what factorial? 3 factorial. Same like this thing. But this double bedroom must be taken as like case. Internally they are shifting. Internally they are shifting. Means it is not affecting any this. So this double bedroom have to be taken as like case. So these 2 people, when they change internally, we should divide it by 2 factorial. We should divide by 2 factorial. Why? Because these 2 are said to be like cases, students. These 2 people, BC, CB, 2 factorial. These 2 factorial ways we are supposed to divide. So this is 6 divided by 2, that is 3 ways. What are the 3 ways? These are the only 3 ways. All these are copycat ways. This is not required. Are you understanding everybody? Let's try to move across. Okay, have a look here. Now 7 people are there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Students, you all know that in the hotel you have one single bedroom. In the hotel you have one double bedroom. In a hotel you have one single bedroom. In a hotel you have one double bedroom and one room which has 4 people. You have one room which has how many people, students? 4 people. So how many ways these 7 persons can accommodate in these 7 rooms? Are you understanding everybody? Let's try to have practically here. Suppose A accommodates here, B and C are accommodating here, D, E, F, G. These people are accommodating here. Now let's try to have a look here. Let's try to have a look here. Can you say like this? Can you say like this? Sir, A is here itself, but instead of B, C, I will accommodate CB. Is this different or same? Same. You can't say BC, CB. So here, instead of D, E, F, G, you can't say, sir, G is sitting here, D is here, F is here, and kya bacha? E is here. You can't interchange these people and say, sir, this is a new arrangement. No. All these are like cases. All these are like cases. So how to remove the like cases? Nothing. Just we have to divide by that factorial. Have a look here. How many people are standing? 7. So naturally there are 7 factorial ways. Naturally how many ways? 7 factorial ways divided by these 2 people. These 2 double bedroom must be taken as this thing. So we can say divided by 2 factorial cases, we have to subtract. How to subtract? Just divide it. Okay. These 4 people internally change, all the 24 ways have to be divided. That is 4 factorial. Are you understanding everybody? So this is the best answer when you have like cases. Remember students, whenever you have like cases, you have this kind of things. Are you understanding everybody? Is the concept is quite clear? Chaliye. Now let's try to move forward everybody. Let's try to move forward. Suppose he told you one more small question here. Let's try to have a look here. For example, here what we have done is what? N people, n places n factorial. Suppose you have n people, some like cases, we are supposed to divide by p factorial, q factorial and r factorial. Remember everybody. So why do we divide all these things whenever you have what cases? Like cases. Are you understanding everybody? So this is what we have to apply whenever we have to have a like cases. Clear? For example, have a look here. He told you there are 3 books. There are 3 mathematical books and 2 science books. Remember everybody, there are 3 mathematical books and 2 science books like this. This is 3 mathematics books, okay everybody, and 2 science books, for example. So in how many ways we can arrange? In how many ways we can arrange these books in a different way? Are you understanding everybody? So let's see. Now if I take this math book here and keep it here, and this math book keep it here, do you think it's a different or same arrangement? I think you know that this is the same arrangement. If you interchange these 2 science books, it's the same way. So how to arrangements? Nominally you have to do, how many people are there? 5. When 5 people are there, we have to say 5 factorial divided by, as we have to apply this thing. Following everybody? Now 3 maths book, even you interchange among themselves, it's the same thing. So divide by 3 factorial, and 2 science books, that is 2 factorial. So why? Because these are all the like cases. I hope you're understanding this thing, students. Is it clear to you? Chaliye. Now this is what, yeah, it's 105 you're getting. Yes. Now, let's try to move forward, students. Let's try to move forward and have a look at one of the question here. Now, here we have done yesterday. What we have done yesterday, we have done number permutation. Now we are not doing number permutation, we are doing letter permutation. Let's try to learn a letter permutation, then we will be doing all these questions, students. Stay till the end, we will do all these questions, and then we will do all these questions. Again, this is an infosys question. Students, this is an infosys question. This question also we will do it right now, and this is also one of the questions which was given. Again we will step into combinations. These all things we'll do, students. Again, at the end of the session we will just try to do this thing, and this is an infosys question. This question also we'll do till the end. Is that fine, everybody? Chaliye, let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward and just get back to your basic concepts of letter permutation. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, let's try to move across. Have a look, everybody. Suppose if my question is, how many ways I can arrange the letters of the word clear? How many ways I can arrange the letters of the word clear? So you all know that yesterday we have done this kind of question. For example, have a look here. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed? What do you say here? How many people are standing? 5 people. How many places are there? 5. So 5 people, 5 places. What do you call, everybody? 5 factorial. Same fashion, we are not doing anything new here. We are doing the same thing. How many people are here? 3. Not sorry, 3. 5. How many places are there? 5. So what do you call it as? 5 factorial. Students, we are not doing anything new today. Today we're going to do the same thing what we learned yesterday, provided with different conditions. Following, everybody? So let's try to see the different conditions what we're going to have today. Okay, now let's try to have a look here. Here, if I'm ask you how many 5-digit numbers, you're saying very clearly it's 5 factorial. If I ask you divisible by 2, can you do it? Yes. You will focus here. Yesterday we have done that. You will focus here. If I say divisible by 4, what will you do? You'll focus last two. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? If I say, divisible by, 5, you'll focus here. So this is the things what we have done yesterday. This was yesterday's class. This was yesterday's questions. But here, I can't ask you divisible by 2. So what they're going to ask you on letters, that also we should learn. Let's try to move across and have a look, everybody. Here, I'm going to ask you how many 5-letter words can be formed. How many 5-letter words can be formed such that the letter starts with C. What did he ask you? Such that the letter must starts with C. If the letter must starts with C, so हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर? I will ask, hey C, please come and sit here. That's it. So whatever you do, C should be in the beginning. So what do? I have just kept C there. So nominally, we have to do the same thing. Now you have to tell me how many people are still standing. There are 4 people who are still standing. For these 4 people, how many chairs are available? 4 chairs are available. So common sense, everybody. How many ways you can arrange these 4 people in these 4 places? That's what? 4 factorial. Understanding, everybody? 24 ways I can form the words which are starts with C. Are you understanding, everybody? Same question if I ask you, how many numbers can I just write down here? Starts with 2. Same thing. What will you put here? You'll put number 2 here. Rest of all, how many people are standing? 4. How many places are available? 4. What do you call it as? 4 factorial. This is what we have learned yesterday. Now we are learning this thing. So let's try to be more clear what kind of conditions they may ask you in clear. Okay. For example, let me just try to ask you how many ways we can arrange the letters of the word clear. How many ways we can arrange the letters of the word clear such that the word starts with a vowel and ends with a vowel. What is my question, students? Such that the word always starts with a vowel and ends with a vowel. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, starts with a vowel and ends with a vowel. Do you know who are the vowels in these two? Yes. The vowels in these two is what? That is E and A. So, such that the word always starts with the vowel and ends with the vowel. Vowel, vowel. Starts with the vowel and ends with the vowel. So these are the only 2 people who are supposed to be sitting here. Let's try to move across. So how many ways 2 people can be accommodated in these 2 places? Do you have any idea? That's very simple. 2 people, 2 places. We have learned yesterday. What factorial? 2 factorial. N people, n places, n factorial. Same ways, 2 people, 2 places. What do you call it as? 2 factorial. Are you understanding, everybody, students? So tell me, what's the value of 2 factorial? 2. You all know that 2 factorial is nothing but 2. So let me write down two cases, everybody. Let me write down two cases. One case, everybody. I'm writing one case. Next case I'll write. The first case I'm writing here is what? I'm writing here E. I'm writing here A. E sitting here, A sitting here. That's it. Okay, but two cases are there. I will not do all the cases, students. I'll not do all the cases. I will do only one case and let me know. Okay, now E and A are sitting here. So according to you, how many people are still standing? Three. For those three people, do you have any idea how many chairs are available? Three. So you tell me, these three people can sit in these three chairs. Any idea how many ways they can sit? Three ways. That is 3 factorial. So we can say 3 factorial. Is this 3 factorial is only with EA? No. Even if you keep AE, means A can also be here, E can also be here. Again, three people are standing. Again, 3 factorial. So we can say instead of this, 2 factorial into 3 factorial. That is 12 ways we can form the word in which starts with a vowel and ends with a vowel. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. Yes, you are understanding this. I know that. Let's try to move forward. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Okay, one word is given to you, mixture. One word is given to you, mixture. Suppose if I ask you how many ways I can arrange the letters of the word mixture, कितने तरीके से हम ये मिक्सचर को अरेंज कर सकते हैं such that always the word should be starting with a vowel and ending with a vowel. Starting with a vowel, यहाँ पर सिर्फ vowel बैठना चाहिए and here also the vowel should be there. Are you understanding, everybody? So what you're going to do now, you have to make a collection of vowels. Who are the vowels the given people? That is I, and that is U, and that is E. Only these people are supposed to sit at the corner. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Only these people are supposed to sit at the corner. Are you understanding, everybody? Let's try to move across, everybody. Let's try to move across here. So who are the people here? I, U, E. These are the three people. So tell me how many corners are available to you? Two corners. Either I, E, E, U, I. There are number of ways. You tell me how many ways these three people can sit in these two corners. Any idea, everybody? Yesterday we have learned people are three, places are two. Don't say 2 factorial, students. Yesterday we learned that concept. Three people are there, two places are there. That's very simple. That is what? 3p2. Three people, two places. We call it as what, students? 3p2. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. What's the value of 3p2? 6 ways. Are you understanding, everybody? What's the value of 3p2? 6. So what are these 6 ways? Let me just try to ask you, everybody. It's not 3 factorial, Reshma. It's not 3 factorial. Try to understand that. 3p2. It's not 3 factorial. It's 3p2. Why here 2 factorial? Because people are 2, places are 2, 2 factorial. But people are 3, places are 2. Don't say 3 factorial. It's 3p2. Following? So let me just try to ask you 3p2. It can be I, E. It can be U, E. It can be E, U. It can be anything. It can be anything. So the number of cases you have here, I, E, E, I, U, I, U, E. I will not do all the cases, but how many cases exist? You all know that. 6 cases exist. So do you have that much of time? Yesterday we have learned. No, there is no such time to do it, everybody. Are you understanding, everybody? So I will do one case. I will do only one case. The rest of all you can do with the permutation concept here. Let me say that I is sitting here. Let me say that E is sitting here. When I is sitting there and E is sitting there, do you have any idea? When I is sitting here and E is sitting here, do you have any idea how many people are? How many people are still standing? Believe that I came here and E came here. In these three people, two people are IE. So you all know that. How many people are still standing here? 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 people have got how many places here to sit? 5. So what do you call the students' answer? That is 5 factorial. What do you call it as? 5 factorial. Is this 5 factorial is only with IE? No. It's same 5 factorial with one more case, EI. Again EI 5 factorial. So 3p2 into 5 factorial. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes. Yes. So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Are you understanding, everybody? Suppose I'm asking you here. There are 5 boys and there are 3 girls. How many ways we can accommodate in 8 chairs? How many ways we can accommodate them in 8 chairs? Bolo, what's the answer? Answer is very simple. How many people are there? 8. So what do you call 8 chairs? We call it as 8 factorial. Are you understanding, students? What do you call it as? 8 factorial. Following? But condition is such that vowels are sitting at the corners. It starts with a vowel, ends with a vowel. Are you understanding? Same strategy. Can we say vowels here? No. So he gonna tell you starts with a. It should start with a girl. The row always begins with a girl. The row always begins with a girl and ends with a girl. Understood the story, everybody? So the row always begins with a girl and ends with a girl. So how many girls are standing? 3. So you have one condition that girls should be sitting at the corner. So do you have any idea how to arrange these the 3 girls in these 2 places? Very simple. What do you call it as? One girl is sitting here, one girl is sitting here. So will you say 3 factorial? No, Reshma, it's not 3 factorial. It's 3p2 once again. 3 girls is 3p2. That's it. This 3p2 is forming whom? Girls. This is girls arrangement. But it's not yet over. Look, suppose girl 1 is sitting here and girl 2 is sitting here. Do you think one more girl is standing still? Yes. One more girl is standing. There is a girl 3, for example. And how many boys are standing? 5 boys are standing. So these 5 boys, let's say B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, and one girl. Overall, how many more people are standing? 6. 2 girls have taken accommodation. Who are those 2 girls? We don't know. Let it be G1, G2. Like this, many cases are there. I'm taking G1, G2 only. Following? Yes, many people are answering. I'm happy. Baap re baap, bahut acha kar rahe ho tum log. Now 6 people are there. These 6 people here have 6 places. What do you call it as? 6 factorial. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? The rest of the people, this is who, this is who, this is the rest of the people, students. Girls sitting is over. Now rest of the people have to be arranged like this. Are you understanding, everybody? So people can give any kind of logic to you. They can say starts with a vowel, ends with a vowel, starts with this, ends with this. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Let me just try to ask you. Let me just try to ask you the same question, everybody. Let me just try to ask you the same question, everybody. If I say the row starts with a boy, if I say the row starts with a boy and ends with a boy, do you think you can do this question, everybody? Yes. Please let me know the answer. The row should start with a boy and ends with a boy. Please, chalo, do it now, everybody. The row starts with a boy and ends with a boy. It should start with a boy and ends with a boy. Here should be boy, here should be boy. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it 5p2? Yes. Which boys? Yes, Padmini, that's good. Asmita, you also got it. Very good. Okay. Which two? Any two. You know, it's 5 boys are standing. Any 2 boys. So what do you say here? 5p2. 2 corners have to be filled with 2. That is 5p2. That I don't know. 5 into 4. You know yesterday. 20 cases. How many cases are there? 20 cases. B1, B2, B1, B3, B1, B4, B1, B5. Or else B2, B1, B2. Like this, we all know that. For example, one case. In this 20 cases, I'm taking one case. B1, B2. 2 boys are there. So tell me how many girls are still there. B3 is standing, B4 is standing, B5 is standing. And along with the girls are also standing. G1, G2, G3. So there are 6 people. These 3 boys and 3 girls can do anything. Anything means they can sit in these places. Don't think in a different way. Are you understanding, everybody? People also give these kind of questions, everybody. Try to understand that people can also give yes, okay, people can also give this kind of boys and girls, or else they're going to give you these kind of questions. Are you understanding, everybody? Yesterday we have done permutation. As you all know that I'll extend the sessions with number of examples to make you understand very thoroughly. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, let's try to ask you here. Let's try to ask you a simple question. In how many ways we can arrange the letters of the word clear? Clear. In how many ways we can arrange the letters of the word clear? You tell me what's the answer, students. Tell me what's the answer. Got it? Yes, that's good. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Clear? Now, that is 5 factorial. As you all are answering, that is 5 factorial. That's very simple. चलिए और आगे बढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं. But condition is slightly changed now. Students, condition is slightly changed. The condition, it says that, yes, that's good. 5 factorial and this is 7 factorial. I'm happy that you are getting this one. Very basic condition. Now, students, अभी क्या बोल रहा है? What is saying that? Such that vowels are always together. Understood my condition, everybody? Here, yes, people also give the questions in which the vowels are always together. Yeah, how to do that? Vowels are always together. Everybody, have a look, everybody. We have done all these kind of things, like cases we have done. This also we have done. Now we will do all these questions, students. We will do all these questions. Wait a while. Okay, again we will do all these questions, the infosys questions and everything. Clear? Now let's try to see here. Vowels are always together. So it's very simple. It's very simple. Let me give you the vowels are always together in a very simple manner. Listen, everybody. तो कैसे करना चाहिए? Vowels are together. Have a look, everybody. Clear? Now, suppose you have one word CEO. My question is, in how many ways we can arrange this CEO in these 3 places? Your instant answer will be, आप क्या बोलोगे? Instant answer will be, your instant answer will be 3 factorial. Am I right, everybody? Your instant answer will be 3 factorial. So 3 factorial means how many cases? 6 cases. CEO, EOC, OEC, like this will write on 6. But my question is, vowels are always together. Students, vowels are always together. Yes, people also will give you these kind of questions very regularly. Vowels are together, vowels are not together, boys sits together, boys not sit together, these people are together, not together. So these kind of conditions are very commonly given to you. So what to do now? Abhi kya karna chahiye? Everybody have a look here. Whenever they say the vowels together, what to do now? Now tell me, how many people are standing? 3. 3 people, 3 places, 3 factorial. This is so done. But whenever they say you vowels together, you have to tell to vowels be together. Vowels be together. Don't detach. So these 2 people have to be taken as one unit, and this is one more unit. Are you understanding, everybody? These 2 people have to be taken what? One unit. Following, everybody? These 2 people have taken one. Previously, how many units? 3. Now these 2 people have to be taken as one unit, and this is another unit. You tell me how many ways? How many ways we can arrange these 2 people in these 2 places? Very simple. We call it as 2 factorial. What do you call it as, students? 2 factorial. Following, everybody? What do you call it as? 2 factorial. Tell me what is that 2 factorial? Very simple. Listen, everybody. I'm teaching you. CEO. Look, they are together. Or else this whole stuff will come here. This whole stuff will come here. What is that whole stuff? Have a look here. That is EO can also be here. And this is C. Are you understanding? Look at that. Vowels are together. Look at that. Vowels are together. They are together only. Vowels are together. This is one unit which I kept here, and this is another unit. Are you understanding, everybody? So whenever they say vowels are together, you have to do something like this. Following, everybody? Now, some people may also have a doubt. Sir, don't you think that these 2 people can interchange among themselves? Do you think that this fellow and this fellow can interchange among themselves, but they are still together? Yes, you should understand that. Sir, why should always say EO? Same C only, but instead of saying same C only, instead of saying EO, students, I can write on OE also. These 2 are different words. Logically they're different. CEO, COE. I understand both are different words, but how you got this different? By interchanging the inner one. So tell me how many ways these 2 people can interchange among themselves? 2 factorial. That is multiplied by 2 factorial. Are you understanding what I mean to say? That same word. Have a look here. EO, but I am not writing same C only, but I am not writing EO this time. I am not writing EO this time. What I am writing right now? I am writing OE. What I am writing, students? I am writing OE. Both are different words, but how I got these different words? By internally changing. Following. So we can say here what? 2 factorial and 2 factorial 4 ways. So this kind of concept you should remember. First you have to take this as 1 unit, then again internally you have to change, you get more and more. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes, that's good. You all people are understanding. Okay, now let's try to move forward. Now let's try to move forward and just try to learn some more things. Let's try to move forward and just try to learn some more things, everybody. Okay, now everybody, suppose I am telling you here clear, CLEAR. How many ways I can arrange the letters of the word clear such that vowels are always together? So what you're going to do now, vowels are always together. Actually there are 5 people in clear, there are 5 people. Now when vowels are always together, you have to take these 2 people as 1 unit. Means this fellow have to be taken as 1 unit. This is 1 more unit, 1 more unit. Now previously how much you used to have? 5 people. Now do you have 5 people or 4 people? 4 people. That's it. You have to take this EA as 1 unit. So students, how many ways I can arrange? How many ways I can arrange this 4 units? That is 4 factorial. How many ways we can arrange this 4 units? We call it as 4 factorial, students. Are you understanding, everybody? Let me just tell you 4 factorial. 4 factorial means how many words? 24 words. 4 factorial means how many words, students? 24 words. So let me just try to write down these 24 words. Listen, everybody. Vowels are always together. They are not CLEAR. Or else CEALR or EALCR or RLCEA or CEALR. So like this, you can just try to see here how many such words are formed, students. How many such words are formed? There are 24 such words are formed. If you keep on writing like this, how many words are formed, students? 24 such words are formed. Following, everybody? Yes or no? Now let's try to move a little bit forward और आगे चल के देखते हैं what will happen here. और आगे चल के देखते हैं what will happen. Now students will tell very compulsory, sir, is it compulsory the printing? In the printing you should always give EA. No, same words I am writing. Listen, everybody. CLAER. Same thing. C, not EA. I'm writing AER. I'm writing same words. AE, LCR. Now RLC, AE. Instead of this thing, I'm writing all that. C, AE, LR. Are you understanding, everybody? सब कुछ same है, but we are changing this thing. So do you think internally when you change these people, do you think the meaning of the words are changing? Yes. Definitely the meanings are also changing here. He say CLEAR, this is CLAER, this new word. All these are different words, Same 24 words are copied once again. They are all copied once again. How you copied? Nothing. What are you going to do now? Internally, these 2 people are changing among themselves. So all these 24 words have to multiply by 2 factorial. That's it. 48 words are formed. Are you understanding, students? How many words are formed? 48 words are formed. What is this concept we call vowels together? I am writing all this story for you, but do you think in the examinations you are supposed to write down? No. For your understanding, I am just writing all these things to make you understand very clearly. समझ में आ रहा है? Is it very clear? So this concept is nothing but vowels are always together. Are you understanding, everybody? चलिए, no worries now. Let me just try to ask you here the word mixture. I have given you one word, mixture, and I want you to tell the answer. Vowels are always together. Please try to answer this question, everybody. Vowels are always together. Make it faster, everybody. Same like this one. Vowels are always together. Yes, Sunny, you got 5 factorial, 3 factorial. Mukesh also got 720. 5 factorial is nothing but 120 into 6, that is 720. That's good. Rahul, Amruta have got the same thing. Sohel, okay, you also have got the same answer. How? Because we all know that. How we are getting, we all know that. It's very simple. Here, I It's very simple. I and U, E. You all know that. I, this one, U, E. Three people are there. So these three people, I, U, E, have to be taken as one unit. Remaining all are one unit. One, 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 one. So how many people? Five. So we can say 5 factorial. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. But do you think that all these 5 factorial words, 120 words, should the printing should be IUE, IUE, IUE? No. Internally you change EUI, UIE. More cases you'll get. So 3 people can be shuffled. What's the answer? 3 factorial. That's it. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, many people are answering this. I'm happy with all these things. But let me just try to ask you. You just try to tell me here. Boys are always sitting together. In the row, boys को अपने आप से डर लग रहा है. समझ में आ रहा है? Boys wants to sit together. Please try to tell me the answer for this question. These boys will always sit together. थोड़ा बहुत डर रहे हैं बच्चे. 3 girls are there. चलिए, make it faster, everybody. Mukesh Naidu, you'll get your answer right now. Okay, your doubt will be solved in this case. Monica, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. That's good. Padmini, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. That's good. Okay, these boys have to be taken as one unit. These boys have to be taken as one unit, and these 3 girls have to be taken as another unit. Are you understanding, everybody? Is the concept is clear now? Chaliye. Now, so one unit and 3 girls. Total how much? 4. So there is 4 factorial. Okay, now 4 factorial means how much? 24. 4 factorial means how much? 24. Now, for example, here, boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4, boy 5. Okay, these are the 5 boys. These all 5 boys are staying together. Are you understanding, everybody? These 5 boys are staying together. Following, and G1, G2, G3. G1, G2, G3. So how many units are there? Yes, 4 units. Are you understanding? 4 factorial. Maybe boys can be here, boys can be here, girl can be here. Okay. Now, but nobody have told boys should be in order. Even these boys can interchange among themselves. That is the reason you have multiplied into 5 factorial. Understood, the students, everybody? Why you are multiplying 5 factorial? Who told that B1, B2, B3, B4, B5? It can be B5, B4, B3, B2, B1. Even these people can internally change. Are you understanding, everybody? So this is what we call as a concept of what? Vowels together. Are you understanding? Boys together, Indians together, together. That's the concept. There is nothing new here. For example, let's try to move focus. Suppose I told you there are 2 Indians, 2 Americans, and 3 Chinese नहीं, Europeans लगाते हैं. Let's just say that there are 2 Indian scientists, 2 American scientists, and 3 European scientists. In how many ways we can arrange them in a row for a photograph? In how many ways we can arrange them in a row for a photograph? Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. For example, very simple. You have to tell very commonly. This kind of questions can come to you. Okay. Now you all tell me how many people are standing here. 7. 2, 2, 3. So our answer is 7 factorial. This is the common answer, but my question is little twisted. इसमें ये बोला गया है all the country people belonging to the same country should always sit together. Means American should be sitting with American only, European should sit with a European only, and Indian should sit with Indian only in the photograph, for example. So what do we do, students? Very simple. तो हम क्या करेंगे? This is one unit. This is one unit. Together, you have to be together. You will be taken as one unit. Okay, everybody. So how many units are there? 3. So Mukesh, I've got an idea that, sir, this is 3, these are 7 places, how can we arrange? It's not like that. What I mean to say that 2 people, 3 people, like this only you are arranging. But the number of arrangements are what? 3 factorial. So answer is 3 factorial. Are you understanding, students? That's good. Okay. For example, Indian 1, Indian 2, American 1, American 2, and here European 1, European 2, European 3. How many ways we can have here? 6 ways you can arrange. It might be Europeans can come here, Indians can go there. This is what we all know that. But who said that? Who said that Americans should always sit in order. Who said that Americans should always sit with order? Following everybody, is this clear to you? Yes, yes. The answers what you're giving are the awesome answers. Who said that this should be in order? हो सकता है Indian 2 is here, Indian 1 is here. What's that? 2 factorial there can interchange. हो सकता है 2 factorial. Again internal ways 3 factorial. Are you understanding everybody? Yes or no? So all these answers are multiplied into 6 ways. Following everybody? That's good. So 3 factorial is multiplied with 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. This is the concept of what, students? This is a basic concept of vowels together. Indians together. Concept है ही together, but जहां together पूछा, you have to take that as one unit. Never forget that. समझ में आ रहा है everybody? चलिए, हम बहुत अच्छा पढ़ रहे हैं. That's good. Okay. Sujita saying, sir, like cases we shouldn't consider. Then why now? Then yeah, here look that Indian 1 is different from Indian 2. Indian 2 is different from Indian 1. You are not supposed to divide it here. They are not looking like same. Similar cases will come in the case of balls, identical balls, books which are similar. Indians are not similar. I mean, it's the Indian 1, Indian 2. Subhashmita, that is a wrong way of thinking. That like cases cannot be applied here. Are you understanding? Chaliye. Now, let me just try to ask you a very simple way. Let's try to ask you a very simple way. In how many ways now vowels are not together? Students, we are learning now vowels are not together. It's a very simple way. Now, चलिए देखते हैं vowels are not together. ये भी काफी simple है. It's not like that. Listen everybody. C L E A R. There are 5 people, but I wanted to arrange. Vowels are together. What is the vowels are together? 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 48 cases. This is what you have learned. Vowels are what? Vowels are what? Together concept. You got the answer instantly. But when vowels are not together, तो क्या करना चाहिए? When vowels are not together, then what to do? So when vowels are not together, first we should request these vowels to stay out. We should not ask these vowels to step in. So when vowels are together, not together, so we should take these vowels outside. The rest of the people should be inside. For example, have a look here. C, L, R. These people should not be welcome. E and A should not be taken. Remaining all people are coming here. C, L, R. These people have to be step out. Following everybody? Now, here, when you want to arrange this EA, vowels not together, so you cannot have vowels like this, EA. You cannot have EA. This is not way you are supposed to arrange. तो क्या करना चाहिए? Everybody, देखो, there is very simple method that here you are supposed to put one box here, one box here, one box here, one box here. Are you understanding everybody? These are all the alternate boxes I am keeping. These all the alternate boxes I am keeping for these 2 people. Are you understanding everybody? Yes or no? What you have done first? First you have set vowels. What you have done first? First you have set, consonants you have set C, L, R. Now there are 2 vowels. So these 2 vowels have to be accommodated in these places. So it can be EA here, or EA here, or EA here, or AE. So how many people are there? 2. So how many places are here? Those sit here. So what is here? 4 gaps. 4P2. That is 12 ways. What are these 12 ways? AE, EA, AE, EA, EA, AE. These are the places for the vowels. Are you understanding everybody? These are the places for the vowels. So how many ways they can say? 4 gaps are there, 2 people are there, 4P2. Okay, everybody? Now, what you are supposed to multiply here? Are you understanding everybody? What we are supposed to multiply here is very simple. You tell me, do you think that CLR is 100% should be CLR only? No, sir. They too have an independence to change their places. So you tell me how many ways this CLR can change? That is 3 factorial. So answer is very simple, 72 ways. Are you understanding? What is this answer? 72 ways. Who are these 72 ways? These 72 ways are vowels not together. And who are these 48 waves? These 48 waves are vowels together. So when you add this 48 and add this 72, it's totally 120 waves. That is total number of ways. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Look, how many people are there in clear? 5. How many ways 5 people can be arranged? 5 factorial, we got it. So ऐसा प्राप्त होता है this thing. Let's try to have a look here. Let's try to have a look here. How many ways we can arrange the letters of the word mixture so that vowels are not together? When vowels are not together, we should always welcome whom first? Consonants. Let me arrange consonants. M is one consonant, X is one consonant, T is one consonant, R is one more consonant. You all tell me here, you all tell me how many slots are given to you. You all tell me how many slots are given to you. The number of slots are given to you is what? 5. The number of slots are given to you as what? 5. Why I'm writing independent slots over here? Because this remaining vowels, this who are the vowels? I, U, E. These people can sit in the slots. These people can sit in slots. It can be I, U, E, E, U, I, E, I, U. Like this 5 slots are there. So 5, P. What's that 5P? 3. So this 5P3 is for whom? These are the places have to be filled with vowels. Alternatively, wherever. But this M, X, T, R, they too have the independence to shuffle. That is 4 factor. Are you understanding, everybody? So very simple. 5p3 into what? Subhashmita, that is 4 factorial. I think everybody is understanding. Is it fine, everybody? चलिए और आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let me just try to ask you to move across and just try to do one question. Yes, I'm going to give you 4 minutes to you students. Please try to get the answer for all these 4. Your time starts now. Okay, your time starts now. Get the answers for all these 3 questions, not 4 questions, 3 questions. Make it faster, everybody. Very good. Josna is saying ACC. Induja, you got stuck with AC. That's it. But Aniket is contradiction. He said BCC. He's getting option as B. Monica Reddy is getting ACB. Chaliye. Padmini is getting ACC. Jyotsna. Very good. Okay, students, let's try to move forward, everybody. Whether the answer is ACC or BCC or what, let's try to have a look here. Shivani is in front of this and saying BCC. But you're sure with all these answers. But Monica is saying it's B. Monica is saying it's B. Chaliye, let's try to move forward, everybody, and have a look on these all questions here. Let's try to have a look on these questions here. In how many ways can the letters of the word champion can be arranged such that the word this thing happen? Champions. Vowels are together, students. What is it that vowels always appear together? When vowels are together in this champion, have a look here. CHAMPI. Is it champion? Yes. Vowels are always together. Who are the vowels here? A, I, O. These 3 people, A, I, O, have to be taken as one unit. A, I, O is going out. A is not appearing, I is not appearing, O is not appearing. These are one unit. So rest of all are one more unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5 factorial. 5 factorial multiplied by these 3 people can be internally changed among themselves. That is 3 factorial. So we all know that 5 factorial, 3 factorial. I don't know, this is a 120 into this is 6, maybe 720 is the answer. So answer is 720. This is the B. This is B. Are you understanding, every students? This is B. But many people have got the answer as an A. Many people have got their answer as an A. Okay, that is 720 into 6. Are you sure, everybody? Yes. Champion. Are you understanding? CHAMPION. This is what. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? So the first one is what? This is 5 factorial. 5 factorial is nothing but, oh sorry, I'm sorry, students, it's not 5 factorial. I'm sorry for that. Is it 5 factorial? I'm sorry for that. This is 6 factorial. Is it 6 factorial? 1, 2, 3, that's 6 factorial. Sorry for that, students. Sorry for that. I have not checked this one. So let's try to go with this thing 720. So 720 into 6 factorial. Now it's a very big number. That number is this number. This is not the perfect answer. Are you understanding, everybody? So I did a mistake with somebody else, same. Amit Patel also have done the same mistake. And I have also, yeah, vowels as 1 unit. Are you sure, everybody? I did a small mistake that here. Now, चलिए और आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं. Let's move across. In how many ways we can arrange the letters of the word? This is not letters of the word. Boys and girls. Always girls sit together. What did it say here? Always girls sit together. So how many boys are there? 5 boys and 2 girls. 5 boys and 2 girls. It's very simple, everybody. Okay, 5 boys and 2 girls. Always girls together. So 1 unit, 6 factorial. Into 2 girls can be interchanged. That is same once again. That is 720 into 2. That is 1440. So you said the answer 1440. So answer is very simple. So this is obviously. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good, students. That's good. Okay, clear. Now let's try to move across, everybody. Let's try to move across, everybody. Here, how many different, this is a doubt for you people. So that the word Pacific, so he told you first letter should be P, first letter should be P, and the last letter should be F. Starts with P and ends with F. What did he say here? Starts with P and ends with word. So let's try to have a look, everybody. Here starts with P, Pacific. Pacific, the word starts with P, so this P should be here and ends with F. This F should be here. These two people are fixed. There is no change over there. P is going and sitting in its place of P here, and F is going and sitting in the place of F here. Are you understanding, everybody? This is fixed. Now you have to understand the very common sense. How many people are still standing? Yesterday we have learned the concept that how many people are still standing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people are still standing. So how many places are still available? 5. So answer is 5 factorial. Answer is 5 factorial, and we say the answer is 120. But this is wrong, students. Remember, everybody, I told you that very simple. Here divided by these two C's, they look like same. If you put this C here and this C here, doesn't make a change. 2 factorial. These two I's looks to be same. So what's that? 2 factorial. So answer is 120 divided by 2 into 2, that is 4. Answer is 30. Are you understanding, everybody, students? So some of the students have forgot to multiply that. Answer is what? A. Is it A? Yes. Are you understanding, everybody? The reason behind is what? Factorial. Whenever the like cases do come, we are supposed to divide it. Whenever like cases do come, we are supposed to divide it, students. Don't forget about all these things. Clear? Whatever we have learned, we are applying them right now. Whatever we have learned, we are applying them right now. You are doing something in the live sessions. That is very, very important. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward and just try to go with two more questions. Not one more, sir. 2 more questions. This time also I'm giving a little bit of time. It's a practice session for you right now. After this we will go with another concept. I want you to continue this one and complete these 2 questions. Question number 4 and question number 5. Are you understanding, everybody? 4 minutes I'm giving to you once again. Please make it faster. Make it faster, everybody. Two questions. This is a normal question. This is a infosys question. Yes, Rahul is saying it's a meaningful word or not. Rahul, here we are not having any kind of meaningful words as of now. Why we should divide मुकेश नायडू? मुकेश नायडू हमने स्टार्टिंग में सीखा है, जहां पर भी लाइक केसेस आते हैं हमको डिवाइड करना चाहिए. समझ में आ रहा है मुकेश नायडू? जो भी लाइक केसेस आते हैं देयर वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग, मुकेश? सी 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 सी, इवन इफ यू इंटरचेंज इट्स द सेम. क्लियर? मेक इट फास्टर, एवरीबॉडी. That's good. Many people are saying answer is what? C. C. The first one is C. You're right. C B. Are you sure C B? Are you sure C B? Sunny, Monica, Vipra. Sipradas also saying fourth one is C. That is true. Fifth one we want. Sohel CB. Chaliye. That's good. Yes, Monica. That's good, students. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward. अभी क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Everybody. Okay. So people are saying C and people are saying B. That's good. Now this is very simple. What is it that C and E never comes together? In A, B, C, D, E, F, G, C and E never comes together. That's very simple. Have a look here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G are in standing order. C and E never comes together. Is it C and E, everybody? Yes. Whatever. Whoever. Okay, we don't mind. So let's try to welcome A, B, then we have D here, then we have F here, then we have G. So here, how many slots are there? How many slots are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this 6 people, C and E can be accommodated. CE, CE, CE. Wherever they can accommodate. They are not together. C, E. You can have CE here also. It doesn't make the difference. They are not together means not together. So what are you going to do, students here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. People are how many? 2. 6p2. Into these people can also have their places. That is 5 factorial. 6p2 into 5 factorial, what is the answer here? That is 3600. Are you sure 3600 you're going to add? 6p2, 6 into 5, that is 30. Into this is 120, that is 3600. That's pakka. Are you understanding, students? This answer you got it. I'm happy that. Okay, now what to do next? What to do next? He's asking you this question. In how many ways? Raj is given a task. I'm not telling you, students. You just try to look at here. This question was given in the infosys. One of the students have shared the answer. What is it that? Raj has given a word Switzerland. Raj has given one of the word called Switzerland. In how many ways the positions and vowels are same or not same? This question was given. Are you understanding, everybody? He said the position of vowels are used by the position of vowels only, and the position of consonants must be used by the position of consonants only. So some of the students, okay, some of the students have a doubt in this thing. Some of the students have a doubt in this thing. Let's try to move forward and let's try to check it out here. Let's try to go and check it out, everybody. Before we go Switzerland, let's try to go with a word called clear. This is the word clear. This is a word clear. Vowels should be occupied by the position of vowels only. Vowels must be occupied by the position of vowels only. And consonants must be occupied by the position of consonants only. So who are the vowels? These two are vowels. Vowels should go and sit in vowels position only. These are the two positions for vowels. And consonants must be taken with the place of consonants only. This is a consonant. These three are consonant. That's it. 1, 2, 3. I believe you all have understood this thing, students. Vowels should go and sit in the place of vowels only, and consonants should go and sit in the place of consonants only. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? Now, let's try to have a look, everybody, here. This C cannot go and sit here. This is wrong because vowels, consonant cannot go and sit here. And this vowel cannot go and sit in consonant's place. This is wrong. Vowel should go and sit in the vowel's place. Let's start see here. How many vowels are here? 2 vowels. How many positions? 2. So what do you call it as? 2 factorial. A-E-E-A. I don't mind anyway. Okay, now, how many consonants are here? 3. How many consonants places are there? 3. So what do you call it as? 3 factorial. That's it. Following everybody logically, he gave some question to you. Here, this was given in Infosys, but Infosys does not use the word clear. Infosys of Switzerland. This is a big word. Is it a big word? Is the meaning of Switzerland? SWITZERLAND. That's good. Following everybody in this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here we are supposed to do it. So normally, how many people are here? How many people are here, students? Here there are 11 people. So what do you call it as 11 factorial? Following everybody, 11 factorial. Like 11 people, 11 places, 11 factorial. Are you understanding? Sure. Now let's try to move forward, everybody. It's not like that. How many vowels are there? Once again, back to basics. Consonants 1, consonant 2, consonant 3, consonant 4, consonant 5. L is a consonant, yes. A is not a consonant. N is consonant. D is consonant. So there are 8 consonants for you. How many consonants are there? 8 consonants. These 8 consonants should sit in an 8 place, an 8 factorial. Following everybody, this can be written 8 factorial. And according to us, how many these things are there? 4. 1, 2, 3. These 1, 2, 3 should sit in this place only. Here A, here E, and here I. Sorry, here I. That's it. So 3 people, 3 places. So what do you have a look here? 3 people, 3 places, that is 3 factorial, and remaining 8 people have got 8 places. We call it as 8 factorial. Are you understanding, everybody? So these kind of questions are very commonly given to you. But what commonly given to you? They were given like this. So answer is what? 3 factorial into 8 factorial. This is what the answer we have given. The word Pacific have how many ways such that C should be first? Sumant, let's not, first letter is C. I'll just try to leave that one as of now. Listen, everybody, have you understood this? Okay, if you have understood this, okay, please type S. Okay, so let's sort of move forward. Everybody, make it faster, everybody. If you have understood these questions, please type S. That's good. Okay, Sumant, have got one doubt here. Now, let's try to see the Sumant's doubt, everybody. Let me just try to clear all that. He is asking you Pacific. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He's asking you starts with C here. It starts with C. Following everybody. So let's try to have here. One fellow is fixed here. Sumant, let's try to have your doubt here. He is asking that how many ways we can arrange the letters of the word Pacific. How many ways we can arrange the letters of the word Pacific such that the word should start with C? Chalo, let me ask you, C came and sit here. Now, do you think C is available? No, C is not available. That's what. So let's try to move across, everybody. Now, how many people are still standing? Listen, C already came here. C is no more. Which C is that secondary matter? You leave. Sumant, which C is that secondary matter? You leave it now. C already came here. Now, how many people are still standing? There are 6 people who are still standing. So how many ways we can arrange? 6. Sumant, we call 6 factorial. These all 6 factorial words starts with C, 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 C. Okay, but now listen, everybody. Here, in this total word, wherever you are arranging, definitely that C, this C will be having a similarity. So one more C is there, that can be here also. These two interchange, same word will form. So Sumant, your answer is 2 I's, 2 C's. That is yes. Yeah, Kotwani has given the answer 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial and one more 2 factorial. Yeah, 2 factorial 2 times it comes here. You have set this one C here. That's true. Where is that one C? Secondary matter. But these 2 C's interchange, same answer you will have. That's the which C is that we don't know. Like case, divide it. Are you understanding, everybody? Like case, divide it. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, what do we do now? With the help of this, we have understood how to do it. But I just want you to do one question, student. I want you to do this question. It's again based on permutations. Okay, make it faster, everybody. Once you do this thing, we can move forward for the next type of questions. Make it faster, everybody. Mukesh Naidu, we have explained this thing at the beginning of the session. You have come little late, actually. Clear? You have come little late. Already we have. I can't just drag the session to the back, Mukesh Naidu. Okay, rewind the things. You just try to go to the starting of the video and you can watch that. Why we are supposed to divide that like cases. Okay. I've explained you with the rooms, I've explained you the books. Okay, okay, don't worry, you just try to like watch the video once again, Mukesh Naidu. Definitely you'll get it. If you won't get, you just try to like put in the comment box. I'll just try to tell you the answer. Let's try to go with this question, everybody. Actually, the more questions you, the more perfect you are. Make it faster, everybody. या प्राची, प्लीज स्टॉप मूविंग. अब क्या करें, बाजू में खड़े रहे, ठीक है. बट ये तो हाइट ज्यादा है ना. अच्छा, ऑप्शंस आर गेटिंग हिडन. एनीवेज, D D D D D D D D D D D D D. Is it D? Yes, it's D. Monica, it's 240. That's good. What he said here. Jason wants to sit along with 5 friends. Friend 1, friend 2, friend 3, friend 4, friend 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But condition is what? Jason is insisting to sit at one of the corner. One of the corner means which corner we have no idea. Jason can sit here or Jason can sit there. So I'll take one case that Jason is sitting here. If Jason sits here, how many friends are standing? 5. How many places? This one. What's the answer? 5 factorial. But students, we all know that it's not compulsory that. It's not compulsory that Jason can be at this side, Jason can be at this side also. If Jason is sitting here, once again 5 friends may come this side. What's the answer? 5 factorial. So Jason have 2 corners. So 2 places for Jason into friends 5. So answer is 120 into 2. Answer is very simple. That's 240. Is that fine, everybody? Say yes or no. I think yes. Is it clear, everybody? Chaliye. Now, this is what the end of. This is the end of permutation as of now. Yesterday we have done. Now, what do we do? Tomorrow we will continue with the next concept, combinations. Tomorrow we will continue the next concept called combinations. Along with that, we will do one more called application of PNC. Application of PNC in different questions. Try to understand, students. Tomorrow we will learn one more concept, that is application of permutation and combinations in different questions. Are you understanding, everybody? So let's try to stop with the session right now. So yesterday we have done number permutation, and today we are doing what? We are doing what? Letter permutation, where we have different things together. Are you understanding? Tomorrow what we're going to do now? Tomorrow we'll do combinations, and many questions do come tomorrow. Application of permutation and combinations. Is it fine, everybody? Chaliye then. Okay. Thanks. And tomorrow it will be not on YouTube live. It will be definitely on our platform tomorrow. And students, one more thing that, okay, if you haven't liked this, channel, just subscribe this and also share this video if your friends need this thing. Tomorrow on our platform in the website, let's try to catch on with the completion of this topic. Is that fine, everybody? Chaliye then. Okay. Tomorrow, yesterday I have shared 2 PDF, one permutation combinations PDF and also pipes and system PDF. I hope everybody have done those all questions. If you have not done, please do it. Please do it. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, Sagar. Rank concept is also there. Everything is there. Don't worry about that.